Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group running smoothly while protecting your admin team's privacy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make a group admin anonymous on Telegram using the latest update. This feature is perfect for public communities or any group where privacy and security matter. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, head to your chat list and tap on the group where you want to make an admin anonymous. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top and tap on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, find the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Tap on the admin whose privacy you want to protect. This could be yourself or another admin. After selecting the admin, you'll see a list of permissions and options. Look for the toggle labeled Remain Anonymous. Switch it on. Once enabled, this setting ensures that any messages or actions the admin takes will appear under the group's name, not their personal profile. The admin will also be hidden from the group's member list, making their identity invisible to regular members. Only other admins will know who is truly managing the group. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting. That's it. The selected admin is now anonymous in the group. A quick tip: if the admin has a custom title, Telegram may still show that title next to anonymous messages, which could reveal their identity if each admin uses a unique title. To maximize privacy, consider removing custom titles before enabling this feature. With just a few taps, you can boost your group's privacy and keep your admin team discreet. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a safer Telegram experience.